Good morning all, welcome to my another video. This is on fractions 3C. I will continue from, this is for class 7 Selina Conscience mathematics book. I'll continue from question 7. I had stopped at question 6. So let's continue from question 7. Which is greater, 3 by 5 or 7 by 10, and by how much? Taking the cross multiplication, we get 3 into 10 is equal to 30 and 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Hence, since 3 into 10 is smaller than 7 is to 5, 3 by 5 is lesser than 7 by 10. Just pausing. Difference between 7 by 10 and 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5. Taking LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. That is 7 by 10 minus 6 by 10. That is equal to 7 minus 6 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 10. I am just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. And hope this is clear. Therefore, you write 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 5 by 1 by 10. Super. Let's move on to the next one. What number should be added to 8 2 by 3 to 12 5 by 6 to get 12 5 by 6? For finding the required fraction, we have to subtract 8 2 by 3 from 12 5 by 6. So the required number is 12 5 by 6 minus 8 2 by 3. Now converting the mixed fractions, you get 77 by 6 minus 26 by 3. Alright, the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. On simplification, you get 77 by 6 minus 52 by 6. That is equal to 77 minus 52 by 6. That is equal to 25 by 6. That is equal to 4 1 by 6. Therefore, the number to be added is 4 1 by 6. I am just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Hope this is clear. Moving on to question number 9. What should be subtracted from 8 3 by 4 to get 2 2 by 3? The required number is 8 3 by 4 minus 2 2 by 3. Converting to improper fraction, you get 35 by 4 minus 8 by 3, and the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. On simplification, you get 105 by 12 minus 32 by 12. That is equal to 105 minus 32 by 12. That is equal to 73 by 12. When you convert it into a mixed fraction, you get 6 1 by 12. I am just pausing in for few seconds. Alright, moving on to question number 10. A field is 16 1 by 2 meter long and 12 3 by 5 meter wide. Find the perimeter of the field. Length of the field is equal to 16 1 by 2 meter. When you convert that in the mixed fraction, you get 32 by 2 meter. That is equal to L. Breadth of the field is equal to 12 2 by 5. So when you convert that, you get as 62 by 5 meter, which is nothing but the breadth. Perimeter of the field, the formula is 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 33 by 2 plus 62 by 5. Let's take the LCM of 2 and 5, that is 10. So you get it as 2 into 165 by 10 plus 124 by 10. So that becomes 2 into 165 plus 164 by 10. That becomes 2 into 289 by 10. That is nothing but 289 by 5. That is equal to 57 4 by 5 meter on converting it into a mixed fraction. Therefore, perimeter of the field is equal to 57 4 by 5 meter. I am just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand the calculation. Hope this is clear. Next one, question number 11. Sugar costs rupees 37 1 by 2 per kg. Find the cost of 83 by 4 kg sugar. Very simple. This is just multiplication. Cost of 1 kg sugar is equal to rupees 37 1 by 2. That is equal to rupees 75 by 2 when you convert the mixed fraction. Cost of 83 by 4 kg is nothing but 75 by 2 into 83 by 4. So that is nothing but 75 by 2 into 35 by 4. That is equal to rupees 2625 by 8. So when you convert it into a mixed fraction, you get it as rupees 3281 by 8. Just pausing in for you to understand the calculation. Therefore, cost of 83 by 4 kg sugar is rupees 328 1 by 8. Hope this is clear. Next one. A motorcycle runs 31 1 by 4 kilometer consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it run consuming 3 by 5 liter of petrol? Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 31 1 by 4 kilometer. That is equal to 125 by 4 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered in 3 by 5 liter of petrol is 125 by 4 into 3 by 5. That is equal to 125 by 4 into 8 by 5. Please see the simplification that I have done. You are left with 25 into 2. That is equal to 50 kilometers. Just pausing in for you to understand my simplification. Therefore, distance covered in 3 by 5 liter petrol is 50 kilometers. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to the 13th sum. A rectangular park has length 23 2 by 5 meter and breadth 16 2 by 3 meter. Find the area. Very simple. Length of the rectangular park is equal to 23 2 by 5 meter. When you convert it, it becomes 117 by 5 meter, which is nothing but L. Breadth of the rectangular park is equal to 16 2 by 3 meter. That is equal to 50 by 3 meter. That is equal to breadth. Area of the park is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 117 by 5 into 50 by 3. I have just done the simplification. Please check that. And when you follow all the simplification, the answer that you get is 390 meter square. Therefore, the area of the park is 390 meter square. Just pausing in for few seconds. Hope this is clear. 14th sum. Each of 40 identical box weighs 4 by 5 kg. Find the total weight of all the boxes. Weight of one box is equal to 4 by 5 kg. That is equal to 24 by 5 kg. Weight of 40 boxes is equal to 40 into 24 by 5. On simplification, you get 192 kg. You just multiply. Alright. Therefore, weight of 40 boxes is 192 kg. Hope this is clear. When they give weight of one box and find the weight of others, so if something is given for 1 and find the n number of stuff, it's just multiplication. Just have that concept in mind. So I will stop the video here for exercise 3C from fractions, for class 7. From question number 15, I will post it in another video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks a lot. Stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.